Super Easy Physics and Mathematics. I'm Orisheje Matthew. Today we're going to be looking at the solution to Mathematics Paper 4 0980 Variant 2 May-June 2025. We're going to be looking at the full question, but today we're going to be looking at ratio solve, and we're going to look at the first question 3. And this question 3 have to do with comparison of the mass of two buses. For example, the ratio of the masses we are given as 4 to 7. That is, the mass of bus A to that of B is 4 to 7. So what we want to look at, the mass of bus B is 2.4 kg more than that of A. Calculate the mass of bus A and that of B for 3 marks. For us to solve this question, there are 2 methods we are going to apply. And those 2 methods, one, we're going to look at using the fraction, and then we'll look at the mass difference method. So let's look at the first 2. First thing, write the 2 objects or the masses in the ratio given. So we have the bus A to bus, the ratio of bus A to bus B, which is 4 to 7. Then next, express the ratio as a fraction. So in every calculation we are doing now, the numerator will be A, bus A, and then the denominator, anything we are doing, have to be we are looking at the ratio of bus A with respect to that of bus B. So this gives us the first equation. Then the next one is create a question that has to do with the ratio of the masses. So mass of bus A, let it be S kg, and that of B, let it be S plus 2.4 kg. So also next, express these masses in a fraction. So if you express them in a fraction, so that will now give us X over S plus 2.4 kg. That is equation 2. So we bring the 2 equations together and then we solve them. So to be able to do that, so let's see, we go to, so bring the 2 of them together, A and B, numerator, this is the ratio of A, the ratio of B, then the mass of A, and then the mass of B. So using the alphabet is just an algebraic way of representing the mass. So you have the freedom to use any letter. So you can use C, you can use D, you can use F, you can use J, depends on what you want to use. So I just decided to use letter X. So next thing we are going to do is to cross multiply. So if you cross multiply, 4 will multiply the denominator, and then 7 will multiply the numerator X. So then expand that. 4 times S will give us 4S. 4 times 2.4 will give us 9.6. Then 7 equals to 7x. So solve this for the value of x, collect like term, move this 4 to this side, that will give us 7s minus 4s, that is 3s. So 3s is equal to 9.4. Then divide both sides by 3, that gives s is equal to 3.2 kg. So now that we know the value of x, the question clearly states that the value of mass B is 2.4 more than that of A. So just add 2.4 to this, will give you the mass of B. So with that, we have solved it. So this is one method. Now the second method, we are going to use the second method. Let's use the difference of parts. So there are three approach here, three steps that you take to calculate this question. First of all, find the difference in ratio parts, which is 7 take away 4. That means the mass of B is 3 parts bigger than that of A. So you do that, which is 3 parts. Then next, find the mass of one part. Since the difference here, the difference in mass of bus A to bus B is 2.4 kg more. So this 2.4 kg is equal to 3 parts of the total mass. So that will be, so what is one part? If 3 parts of a mass gives 2.4, so that means 1 part of the mass is equal to, that is, we are putting in the proportion, will be equal to 0.8 kg. Now, if it's 0.8 kg, then bus A is going to have 4 parts, so the mass of bus A will be 4 multiply this, so which is 3.2 kg. While bus B, mass of bus B is going to be mass of bus B is going to be 7 times 0.8. So we have that, and we have solved this. So we have these two basic methods. Though this method actually appear easier, but I will allow you to decide whichever one you want to use. Okay, so the next one, what I'm having here is I want you to try your hand on this question. The mass of B to that of D is in the ratio of 5 to 8. If the mass of bus D is 4.8 more than that of C, so calculate the mass of bus C and that of D. So this is your, I want to get a feedback from you. So the action point actually is 2 points. So attempt to solve this practice question, and then on the comment section I want you to give me a feedback if you are able to solve it or not. All right, but in case you are not able to solve it, so let's proceed. I have the correction. So let's look at the correction. So first of all, we have mass of C to D, so we have that, so which is direct. This time I've explained it, I just want to go straight to solve it. Then we have this, the ratio and that of masses. Okay, then next what you will now do is you cross multiply, and then you get y equals to 8 kg. Then what will be the, this is for the mass of bus C. Then the mass of bus D is going to be 8 kg plus 4.8, so that will be 12.8 kg. So this is solved. So just stay tuned, subscribe to Super Easy Physics and Mathematics. Next, I'm going to be solving the other questions in the series. So just keep in touch, love, share, like and share this video with your friend.